Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful earrings. They remind me of princess or rustic style or retro style earrings, and they are made out of twin beads or Superduo beads, which are 2-hole beads. It doesn't matter the brand, and seed beads. It's really easy to make. When you buy those beads, I'm sure that with my instructions you will be able to make them. Okay? So if you like what I'm showing you here, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my next upcoming videos. And if you want to support me and make me do more and more tutorials, please comment and I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments, and also like and share. You don't know how much you help me with this. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. And now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so here what I need for this project are twin beads or Superduo beads. These are 2-hole beads, and I'm using 2 colors of seed beads. I use ear wires, size 10 beading needle, and here I'm using monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. I squeeze it with my flat nose pliers to go through size 10 beading needle, and I'm using scissors. And now I'm going to take 2.5 feet of thread on my needle, which is about 75 centimeters, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I have my thread on my needle, and what I'm going to do is take 4 of these beautiful twin beads, and you could use Superduo beads as I told you in the beginning, and I'm going to slide them down. And what I want to do is go through all of my beads one more time, just like that. Then, in order to make a circle, go a few beads after the tail thread, and here is the tail thread. And then my goal will be to exit where my tail thread is, and here what I want to do is make a knot. And I'm taking my tail thread and I'm going once, then going second time like that, and I'm pulling, and now this is what I have. I have a really secure knot, and I will go through my next twin bead or Superduo bead. Okay, then I will take just 1 seed bead and I will exit out of the inner filled hole of my next twin bead. Then I will repeat this 3 more times. Now this is what I have, and in my next step, as I'm exiting from this inner fill hole of this twin bead, I will go through its outer empty hole, and I'm changing directions. I was working in this direction, now as I'm going back I'm changing it, and because I'm right-handed and it's easier for me, I will flip my work this way. Okay, now this is what I have, and in this step I'm going to take 1 twin bead, 1 seed bead and 1 twin bead. This is what I have, and I'm going through the outer empty hole of my next twin. Now this is what I have. Then again, twin bead, seed bead, twin bead, going through the next empty hole of my next twin, and I will repeat this 2 more times. Okay, and now I have this. Okay guys, and now as I'm exiting from this bead here, from its inner hole, I will go through the top hole of the same twin bead, and here I will take 2 blue seed beads, 1 white and then again 2 blue seed beads, and this is what I have on my needle. And I will go through the empty hole of my next twin. Then I will take just 1 twin bead and I will go through the empty hole of my next twin. Then I will repeat this, take 2 blue beads, 1 white and then again 2 blue beads. Okay, this is what I have. Going through my next twin, 1 more twin bead or 2 whole bead or Superduo. Going here, and I'm going to repeat this until the end of this row. Okay, so now this is what I have, and in my next step I want to exit out of this white bead seed bead here, and I will take 4 white beads, go through this purple bead here and I need 4 beads, and I'm going through this middle white bead. Then again I need 4, go through the purple, 4, go through the white, and I'm going to continue this until the end of this row. Okay, and in my last step I'm going here through this white bead, and now this is what I have. In my next step I'm going through these 4 white beads and I want to exit here next to the purple twin bead. Okay, and I will take 3 seed beads in blue color. I'm skipping this twin bead here, I'm exiting next to the purple, skipping it and going through the next 4 white beads. Fixing a little bit. I'm skipping this middle white bead and I'm going through the next 4. Okay. Then I need 3 blue beads, skipping the purple, going through the next 4 beads. Just like that. And 3 again. And I'm going to do this until the end of this row, and when I'm ready I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay, and I'm adding here my last 3 beads. And what I want to do is go here through all of those beads, and sometimes it's better to pop them up like that. Okay, and now I'm exiting here out of this blue bead at the top, and I'm going to take one white bead, one twin bead, and then again one white bead. So this is what I have on my needle, and I'm going back in circle through this blue bead, just like that. I will flip my work now because it's easier for me, and I will reinforce this joint here one more time. Now I will go through the other empty hole of the same twin bead. I will flip again. Flip it the way it's easier for you to work. Okay. Now I'm taking one more twin bead, sliding it down next to this twin, and what I want to do is go through its empty hole. So I did this. Okay, now I will take one more twin bead and slide this one here to the other beads in this direction. The empty hole is pointing upwards. Okay, then I'm adding one more, and here the empty hole is pointing downwards. And I will go through it as well, okay? And now I have this. Flip again. I will reinforce this a few times. Okay, and now I will exit here, not here, but here from this middle twin bead, and then I'll go through its empty hole. And here what I want to take is my ear wire and attach it. You could put here a jump ring and attach it this way, but in this twin bead the hole is too small for my jump rings. That is why I'm going to attach it this way. And I'm taking one seed bead, my ear wire, and then again one seed bead. So this is what I have, and I'm going back through this. And what I'm going to do here is reinforce. Okay guys, and when I reinforce this several more times, it's time to go down and make some knots. Okay, and as I'm exiting here, what I want to do is make a loop between those two beads where I am. Then I'm going twice through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and I might want to repeat this several more times. When I'm ready, I will go through my next seed bead and I will cut my thread. Remember, never cut next to a knot, always go through the next seed bead and then cut your thread. Okay guys, and now my earring is ready. Okay guys, and when I repeat this process one more time, this is what I have. I have these beautiful princess earrings. They are a little bit retro style earrings, and I like them so much. And don't forget that when you change colors, you could have completely different jewelry. Okay, so if you like what I'm showing you here, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new upcoming videos. And if you want to support me and see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea also to like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.